How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can add friends in OSU. Now, it's going to be extremely simple. The first thing that you want to do is to just head over to the OSU application. You actually have to head over to the multiplay section, which is going to be this one. Click multi, and then in here, let's go ahead and click on lounge. Now you can then type the person that you are simply looking for, or you could also go ahead and simply search for the room right here. But simply after finding the player that you want to add or the friend that you want to add, you then want to click on their profile icon right here. And then once inside, there's going to be this specific add friend button. So of course you want to click on it, and then it will send the friend request. From there, you should be good to go. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.